Okay, welcome to the end of the game. Yes, it's that time again. Time for the top 5 takeaway of the chair project. I think a lot of what I did was kind of self-explanatory. I mean, I don't do editing, so I did it in real time, just like quick snippets of what I was doing in between different stages. Can't really see the string anymore, can you? Or where that broken strut was. And guess what? The broken strut isn't broken anymore, so you can sit on both of these chairs. They look kind of cute. But here's the top 5 takeaway of tips you kind of have to accept as really, really important if you're going to do this. 1, be logical about repairs. Don't just slap on some paint and some glue or whatever and say it looks pretty, it's fine. Before I did anything else with these chairs, I fixed the strut, I fixed the legs, the screw, the drill, the string. So be logical about repairs. Do the structural stuff first. And sometimes a repair can be really cheap and kind of simple. I mean, fixing the strut all in maybe took me 20 minutes, and 10 minutes of it was finding a screw that was the right size. 2, always clean everything at least 2 to 3 times before you paint. If you think it's clean, clean it again. Number 3, paint is a protective coating. It's not just there to make it pretty. So, the paint will make the wicker last another 5 years maybe. 4, wear a smock and always, always, always clean your paintbrush. And 5, oh yeah, no matter how neat you think you are, you're not as neat as you think you are. So use a floor covering or cardboard from a recycling bin. I used 3 layers of old cardboard boxes flattened out as a base to sit on while I painted the chairs. So once I was done, yeah, there were a couple of paint drips, but I threw them away and everything is fine now. So what do you think? Was it pretty? Is it shabby to chic? Do you like the yellow? Oh yeah, and that wooden board? That's for another project. See you soon.